was so fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pit on my love life, sending the rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. I know you guys are super confused and probably like, why the heck are you in the hospital? Yeah, I just got admitted today. I called my doctors and told them I can't handle it anymore. I've been sick for too long. It's been like months and I've tried and tried to get better and you know, I'm not getting better. So I came in, decided it was time for me to have a stay. I've stayed out for a while though, which is good. So I'm glad I've stayed out for as long as I can. Right now, I'm just on a walk. I'm sorry, I didn't end that because someone came in the elevator and I felt weird talking to my phone. Or talking to the camera. So anyways, right now I'm walking over to Peds, which if they kick me out, I swear I will go off because I've been seeing every other CF patient. They're allowed up there. So I should be allowed up there too because I've done nothing wrong to not be allowed up there. So yeah, I'm like, heck no, like that's not okay to just let some in and some not. Sorry, my mom called me. My doctor is coming in my room, but I'm gonna head to Pete's real fast. Just go say hi to them because I want to. Hopefully they let me. Got past that security. So hopefully I can just go see my nurses for a second and then not be assholes about it because it's absolutely ridiculous. Like insanely ridiculous. So yeah, I'm gonna go visit and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit and let you know. I just went and visited. They didn't kick me out. Good. So we're doing something good here. I'll talk to you guys in a second. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry, I just didn't want to vlog in front of people because that's weird. But anyways, so I'm sitting in my room. I got a really nice room, which is good. I'm glad about. I should be getting my glasses like anytime. They should be calling. I guess my mom's gonna go get them because I'm stuck here. Your girl can't leave. So, but anyways, so you guys are probably wondering why I'm here because I haven't even told you guys that I was sick or whatever. I've been like sick for like, it feels like 2 months. Like I got a cold, got over it, got another cold, got over it. Well, I never really got over them. It's like they just stayed. But I tried to stay out of the hospital as long as I could. So I stayed out for 3 months, almost 3.5 months, which is really good because, you know, I was going in like every month or every other month. So we made progress. Hopefully I can get my PFTs up while I'm here and, you know, get my breathing better because like the past few nights I've been like waking up like gasping for air and just being super out of breath even when I have oxygen on and just not feeling well. I think I have a sinus infection because when I blow my nose there's like blood and just sucks. But yeah, so hopefully I can feel better. I'll be vlogging a lot and doing a lot of videos while I'm here, so comment down below videos that you want to see. Because, you know, I need suggestions. I think my doctor's about to come in, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm going downstairs to get my food that my mom got me. She got me Olive Garden. But yeah, so today's kind of just a boring lay around day. Don't really have anything to do. And I'm irritated that they put me on steroids because I hate steroids, so I don't know. Hopefully this hospital stay goes good. I don't know what they're gonna do, but we'll see. Sitting steroids. I don't know if you can even hear me. It's so loud out here, but since I'm on steroids, IV steroids, I'm like so scared of like gaining the weight back in my face and stuff. Like I hope I don't. I hope they only keep me on them for like 2 days, because like it's affecting my mood and stuff already. Just hate them. But yeah, I don't know. Kind of already ready to go home. Hey vlog, what's up? I've slept a lot today. Haven't done much. I quit the steroids. I told them I couldn't handle the steroids anymore. I only had like 2 doses and they were IV, 30 milligrams, and I knew I was gonna start getting puffy, and plus it was making my depression so bad, so I couldn't do it. So I refused them. They started me on Prozac today, which is an antidepressant, and I'm really hoping that it works. Like, bad, because I've been needing a depression medicine that's gonna help me. I haven't left my room today. Probably order some food in a little bit. Not sure how long I'll be here. I don't know. My PFTs went up yesterday a few %. But I still don't know how long I'll be here or any of that. So, yeah. You guys want to see my view? This is my view. It's really nice. You can see the stadium. That's the UK stadium. If you know the UK Wildcats. That's the stadium, and then there's buildings. It's so much more flat in Lexington than it is where I live. Where I live, there's a lot more mountains and stuff like that, but it's a lot more flat here. It's because I live closer towards Tennessee. But yeah. Don't look my best, trust me, I know. But being in the hospital, you don't look your best, ever. I mean, there are times when I get bored and do like my full face of makeup, but that's not today. I'm just really hoping I can get my depression under control. That's my biggest goal, is to help my depression. Like, I need to get better. I want to have visitors, so hoping people will come see me. My hair, actually, I haven't washed it in like almost a week, and it's not oily yet, which is really awesome. So I haven't been washing my hair until it's like oily. I mean, of course I at least wash it once a week, but it's better for your hair if you don't wash it too much, because especially if it's been dyed and stuff, especially a color like this, because it fades very, very fast, and I want to keep the pink in my hair as long as I can. Just put myself in the eye, and because I really like the pink. My doctor came in today. I don't think he noticed it yesterday, but he was like, I like the hair. And I was like, thanks. But, yeah, so. Yeah, I'm just honestly just trying to get through being here. It's not easy. Wish that Pretty Little Liars was still on Netflix, because I swear I would be watching it constantly. this chapstick right here, it's by Nature's Bees. I don't know if this is Burt's Bees. I don't know, but it smells so good. It has cocoa butter and mango butter in it. That's what it looks like. And it's so hydrating for your lips. You know those chapsticks, like if your lips are really chapped and they burn your lips? This doesn't burn at all, so I like that. I forgot to put my moisturizer on today. I always use this one. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel with sunscreen. But yeah, it's a no makeup day for me today. Put my hair up. And I'm wearing this big t-shirt that was actually Kevin's, but my mom packed it, and I wanted to wear a big t-shirt, and this is the only one I could find, so whatevs. Anyways, this is so cool. So whenever I come to the hospital, they didn't do this in children's, but they do this in adults. It's the Kelsey Brown Foundation. It's actually a CF patient that went here that passed away. And so it comes with, I thought it was so cool that they did this. It comes with, I might even get this one. I know I'll get it while I'm here. Insomnia cookies. I don't know if they have that like all over. That just here in Lexington or all over, because I had never heard of it until I got this. But they give you like a $20 gift card and then a $20 gift card for Papa John's. They give you tissues. They give you a notebook, well, a little tiny notebook. More tissues, which if you know me, you know I can never run out of tissues because I cry a lot. If you know, you know. A kind bar. Salted peanuts, so good snacks. Roasted almonds, like almond. Golden Oreo, so it's a vanilla Oreo. And then just regular Oreos. And then, so usually it's something different every single time. There was these one kind of chips they put in there twice and they were really good. They didn't put them in there this time, but. And then there's some Lifesaver candies. I never eat the hard Lifesaver candies. I just like the gummy ones. Mentos, which I like these. Just little Mentos. And it came with the chapstick, which I can never run out of chapstick because I lose my chapsticks so much. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Probably go on a walk later or something, just get out of my room. But yeah, see you guys. It's been alright.
107/73.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm. Do you need anything?
Mm-mm. Hello guys, I'm going right now to go get my food that I ordered. I ordered P.F. Chang's, or my mom ordered it for me because I didn't feel like ordering it, but I'm going down to get it right now. Changed my shirt to look a little bit better, but I don't know. Haul it down with me, so. Is it P.F. Chang's? My name's Alex. I'm her daughter. Thank you. You're welcome. The bag is secured. So now I want to go to the cafeteria to get me some lemonade because they have pretty good lemonade here. So I'm probably gonna go up to my room and then get my wallet and then go back down to the cafeteria. Sounds like a plan. Okay, so got my lemonade. On my way back up to my room. Tomorrow I want to wake up and drink some coffee because today I slept all day, so I might go to Starbucks and get me a coffee or just get me some coffee from the cafeteria, but the only way I'll drink coffee is if I have French vanilla creamer, so I need that really bad. So I asked my mom to bring me some because she's coming up tomorrow. You guys, like right there. Perfect. But as you can see, like I've like lost weight, literally. I've lost weight instead of gained it, which I'm honestly happy about because I was like so scared I was gonna gain a whole bunch of weight from the IV steroids. But I was like, no more to those because I was having scary side effects that honestly I don't think they took it serious enough. My nurses for sure did. They were like, no, since you're feeling that way, like we're not gonna give you it. They're higher than they were last time. They got me plates. That's always a good thing. I just wish they weren't plastic. It bothers me. Okay, so I got chicken lo mein, I got 2 spring rolls, and I got lettuce wraps. I want to try this chicken lo mein because it looks really good. I don't think I've ever got chicken lo mein from P.F. Chang's. Yeah, it's good. I need to take this off. They didn't give me rice, which I'm really irritated about. Because I love rice with my Chinese food. Like, I always get rice. This needs soy sauce. Soy sauce is my fave. So, all these things. I also got lettuce wraps, which those are amazing. See? These are so good. They're crunchy. I don't know what they are. but they're good. These are vegetarian spring rolls, and they're good. They have salad in it for some reason. I don't know if it's like a decoration or what, but I love this elevator. It's so cool. Makes you look tired. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean up this room. So I just straightened up the best that I could. Tomorrow my mom's coming and bringing me some decorations for my room. So yeah, it's decorated the best that it can be right now. Alright, so you walk in. Here's all this stuff. Just gonna organize this a little bit too. I organized this desk right here. This is the bedside table thing that you eat on. They put your food and everything on. That's that. Here is the MediNav. I've showed you guys this before. This is what I do some of my treatments through, and it replaces the best. Here is the machine that monitors if you need like your oxygen monitored throughout the night. That's what they monitor my oxygen with the night that they decided that I needed to start sleeping with oxygen. Here's my little fan. I always keep a fan because I have to sleep with the fan on for the noise. Alright, so here's just a random chair. Here's the board. I actually need to erase this and write what I need to ask the doctors tomorrow. So, as I was saying, I wrote down everything on the board that I need to write down. And got coffee. Here's me. Bathroom's a little messy. Down everything I need to write down on the board. There's the TV. This just has my masks because I have to get a mask every time I leave my room. So I use the Mickey Mouse Kids mask because I can't use any other kind of mask because I don't know of any ones that are safe and FDA approved for CF. This is one of my tripods for vlogging and videoing. This is just my senior sweatshirt. This is where I keep all the stuff, like all my stuff. It's closed. This is just my favorite part. I think this is the cutest thing ever. So this is like a little bed that you move all the pillows back. You make it into a little bed, and when you lay on it, you can look out at the city at night. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. You guys see me? Here's the little desk area that I do my makeup at, right here. So, I'll give you an overview. Here's a sink, but here's the overview of my hospital room. pretty nice. I got a pretty big and nice room, which I'm not complaining about. I like it, so that's a good thing. So, I just ordered some cookies with my nurse from Insomnia Cookies. We just ordered some, and we're gonna walk down and get it whenever it gets here. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower just really fast. And after that, I'm gonna get hooked back up to my antibiotic and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here so I can get it up. I'm gonna try and get as many videos up for you guys as I can while I'm here. So if you guys have any video suggestions, please drop them down below. Let a girl know. She needs to know what you all want to see. I need some ideas. I need some inspiration. You know, I'm in the hospital. There's a lot of different things I could do to vlog. So just let me know what you guys want to see. Tomorrow my mom's coming up bringing me all kinds of stuff. I told her to bring me some decorations and stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. And then also I'm going to call tomorrow when I wake up and see if my new glasses came in. And I'm going to call my psychiatrist in Somerset and talk to them about me being put on the Prozac for depression and all of that stuff. So I need to get all that sorted out. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is an awesome family and I love you guys so freaking much. You have no clue how much I love you guys. Literally, like, the response of the videos that I get where I'm like really down and depressed and like really just sad, you guys are always there for me, and it really, really touches my heart, and it's like, it makes me feel so great to know that there are people that actually care. Of course, there's always going to be rude, negative comments, but I just ignore them, you know. But the people that support me, you guys are amazing, and I love you so much, and wouldn't be here without you guys. So if you do enjoy my videos and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell down below, and I promise you won't regret it. I come out with videos. My videos are always out every Monday, and then I get bonus videos out throughout the week, but I'll probably have a lot of videos going out while I'm in here just because I don't have much to do while I'm in here. So vlogging and stuff like that are like some of the main things that I do. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. I love you. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, and I really hope that you guys are liking my new intro that I made. It was like a mixture between my older one that I had for a really long time, and I just kind of changed it up a little bit and changed up the song a little bit, but it's still the same song, so I'm keeping to my original form, and I just really like it a lot. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.